So, welcome back again. If you have made it so far to question number 12, then you're actually on the right path to securing your CKAD exams. In case you don't know me, I help engineers like you also clear the CKAD exams with exam-like practice questions. So, without further much ado, let us jump right into solving question number 12. So, with this task, we have in namespace default, the deployment shop API listen on port 8080. So what we need to do is to add a readiness probe with the path ready, and then also set the port to 80 and then the initial delay to 5 seconds. So I can guarantee you that 90% of the time you're going to see a question on readiness probe in the exams, so you gotta pay good attention to this task. So we'll go to killer coder, and then what does the question says? It says shop-API. So let us get that deployment. So get deployment shop. Remember to use the tab so you can be very fast. You don't have to type everything out loud, otherwise you waste time. So get the shop in the namespace. You can see we have that deployment existing in the default namespace. So edit the deployment, edit deployment shop API. Now come to documentation and then search for I will just basically copy. So if you have access during the exams time, copy the main concept and paste it to the documentation. So ReadinessProbe, and then select the first one. But if you don't have access to copy during the exam, don't panic, just type it out straight. Okay, so ReadinessProbe, we are looking for the one with ReadinessProbe. ReadinessProbe. Okay, we need the one that says ReadinessProbe. Configure a ReadinessProbe. Yeah, so you just have to look here for the one that says ReadinessProbe or livenessProbe. In the exams, they like to give you ReadinessProbe because you will be going to the documentation looking for one with ReadinessProbe, but then you will not be getting anywhere. So what I would recommend you is to always copy this livenessProbe, and then you have to just do the adjustment because it's just the same. The format is the same. So if you copy livenessProbe, remember to copy the livenessProbe and change it. So you gotta make sure we get it on the right path. Should be inside the container. Should be inside the container. Please remember that. So inside the container, then we can put it there. So this is where we define the image. So this is where we define the container, the first container. So we can just put it here, more space, and then I'll paste it here. Now I can see my indentation is wrong, so I will escape and then I'll go back. Now you can select by just clicking on V. So you go in the visual mode, and then you can use arrow down to select the ones that you want to push forward. This really saves time during the exams, so please learn that. And then once you are done, use the shift and then the forward arrow to just correct the indentation. So that's it. So I have it right. I still miss one more again. So V, and then I'll select these ones, and then I'll push it forward again. That's it. I believe that's it. Yeah, that's it. So they need to go underneath the livenessProbe. But please remember, It is not liveness probe, it is readiness probe. Remember to change that, please. So it says readiness probe. Readiness probe. Readiness probe. That's all. That's all. Readiness probe. And then the HTTP GET route should be ready. Come here, edit the path. Say ready. The path should be ready, and the port is actually going to be the same. So 8080 initial delay seconds is going to be 5 seconds. So initial delay seconds is going to be 5 seconds, not 3. 5 seconds. Now we are done. I will just save the code. Because it's a deployment, we should be able to save it nicely and exit. But if you get any problem whenever you edit a deployment and then you can't exit successfully as we have done, then naturally there is something wrong that you've done. So please be mindful of that. Now I'll clear the screen. Let's check if we have the pod running. Get deployment, and then shop API. Yes, it is running. So now let us check our tags if we have done everything correct. So I'll run the check file. So it is question number 12, I believe so. So now we have successfully passed question number 12. I'll stop the check. Now we have successfully passed question number 12. So please remember to practice as we have done here, so that during the exams time you can also bank in this point. I'll be very happy to also see you pass the CKAD. So, and don't forget to check the description if you need access to the same resources that we are using to practice, so that you can also have hands-on practice and then you don't get surprised during the exams time. So without further much ado, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.